Production facility. What you see here is some of the food we just picked up right off the buffet. People were just eating this food, human grade food that was going to be thrown away. Steak fresh off the grill, nice and tasty pizza, mashed potatoes, ham. I mean, it's so tender, it's falling right off the, it's got a nice smoky flavor. It's really delicious food, and your dogs are going to love to eat it. So, once we get the food, we rinse off the sauces and seasonings. The next step is to grind it. Pause. So just grind up potatoes, get the steak in there, pizza. It's all been rinsed to remove the seasonings. What's coming out? Show what's coming out. It's all ground up. It's then pumped up. You can see here, all ground into a uniform mixture, and it goes down up the pump and into our mixer. The mixer is a steam jacketed mixer where it's cooked and brought to a boiling temperature to ensure a uniform product and that there's no impurities. Let me just grind this up real quick. So this is all the food after it's been ground up. It's put in our steam jacketed kettle mixer. You can see it's all mixed to make a uniform mixture, and it's brought to almost a boil to ensure that it's completely safe and healthy for the dogs. So in addition to perfectly good steaks and potatoes and pizza, you can see some additional food items we get. Nice healthy kale, vegetables. We get seafood like the shrimp. There's chicken here, and a variety of melons, fruits, hard-boiled eggs, pineapple, delicious food. It's good for the dogs. I mean, people are just eating it. Juicy, juicy pineapple. So we take all the fruits and we mix it just like we did with all the meat and the potato. Put it right in our grinder. The chicken bones are ground right up, so there's no worry about them being a choking hazard. You can see it coming right out the end there. Perfect. Now it'll be pumped up into our mixer to continue production. It's good.